Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make this really cute treat purse. And when you open it, let me show you. This is the one we're going to make today. Mine's holding the 2 Forever Rochers, but it holds other candy. So let me show you that. You can also hold the Reese's peanut butter trees. See? And then I have some miniature candy, fun size. Hold those as well. And then this one is holding the nuggets, and this holds 6 Hershey nuggets. And this one's actually a little gift for one of my husband's co-workers. She wanted a purple gift for her granddaughter, and she's 6. So I thought that not only candy could you put in here, but she could put some chapstick or some makeup or maybe her favorite kind of candy. But we're just going to put the Forever Rochers into mine today. So we're going to go ahead and make this festive farmhouse one today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you're going to use a piece of 6x6 festive farmhouse designer paper, and I'm using the black, let me peel it apart here, the 1/2 inch black satin ribbon, and you're going to need 2 strips, and these are about 6 inches long. And then I cut 2 pieces of the basic black cardstock, and these are both cut at a 1/2 inch by almost 3 3/4, but you're going to cut those down to fit the purse, okay? And I went ahead and put the tear and tape on the back side already to save some time. So let's grab our Stampin' trimmer. Okay, so this is the 6x6 piece of designer paper. We're going to score it at 1 1/4 and 4 3/4. Then you're going to turn it and score it at 2 1/2 and 3 1/2. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and fold our score lines. Okay, so now when you're folding, this is going to be the 1 1/4 and 4 3/4 inch side. You're going to fold those in, and we're going to take those score lines right here at the 2 1/2 and 3 1/2. So you're going to fold these in, and then you're going to take those other score lines and you're going to fold them back to the edge, just like this. This is going to make your little pocket for your treat purse. Do the other side the exact same way. You're going to bring over this score line to that outside edge, just like that. Burnish this edge right here. Okay, so this is going to make your little pouch for your treat purse, just like that. Okay, all right, now we can go ahead and adhere these 4 corners down. I'm just going to use the snail. Okay, so then this little pouch opens when it's folded up, just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, now we're going to go ahead and add our tear and tape along the 2 edges right here. So let me grab that. Peel the backing off. Okay, so now we're going to take our ribbon. Remember, these are cut at about 6 inches long. And I'm going to place this onto the tear and tape. This is going to form your handles of your purse. Since this designer paper has this beautiful plaid design, I can line it up really nicely with the ribbon handles. So I'm going to position it about the same as the below edge here. The handles. Okay, then we're going to take our strips, peel off the backing of the tear and tape of those. Okay, so for one edge, I'm just going to go ahead and put this right over top of that ribbon, securing the ribbon and covering it up as well. And then you're going to go ahead and flip that over, and then you're going to trim that off. Since we cut it a little bit longer than the purse, but I did that intentionally because I want to make it fit perfectly. Okay, we're going to take our magnets, and these are, let me show you here. I'll just lay them out on the table because they're really super little. I bought these at Amazon. So these are the magnets, and these are 8mm by 1mm, and I got these at Amazon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of the magnets in the center of my bag. Even though I'm going to put this onto the tear and tape, I still want to be able to pick it up. So I'm going to use a mini glue dot. I'm going to put this on the back side of the magnet. And then I'm just going to position this right in the center within that tear and tape strip, because the black cardstock is going to cover this up as well. Okay, so there's one magnet, and then we're going to take our other piece of black strip, cut it 1/2 inch, and we're going to cover that up, plus covering up the handles. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to trim the black strip off on the edge. Okay, so now our magnet is on this side over here, which is kind of camouflaged through the black cardstock. Okay, now we're going to take another scrap piece of black cardstock, and we're going to take our punch, the Everyday Label punch. And you can use any punch for a closure. Let me show you this purple one again. So this one is using the Circle Tab punch, which looks like that. But for this tab, I'm using the Everyday Label punch. All right, now we're going to go ahead and fold this in half. And again, I'm going to add some tear and tape along one side. Now we're going to take our purse, and the magnet side of the purse is going to be the front. Okay, so the adhesive with the tear and tape on the back is going to go on the back side of your bag. I'm just lining that up with that score line, or that folded in half line. And then we're going to bring this up. I'm actually going to put the candy inside because it gives it a little stability when I'm closing it. Plus I want that rounded look. See how it rounds it really nice and cute? Okay, so we're going to pick up our magnet. Hopefully I can pick this up. And since the magnet is underneath that piece of basic black strip of cardstock, we're going to drop our magnet. And this is right where that magnet is located, underneath that black strip. So now we're going to go ahead and grab a glue dot. I'm going to put it right on top of that magnet. Making sure that glue dot's on that magnet really nicely. Okay. Then we're going to line up our edges of our purse. Just like that. And then you're going to fold down your flap and secure that really nicely. And then there's your little closure to your treat purse. So then when you open up your flap, you're going to see the magnet, but it doesn't really bother me. If it bothers you, you can actually cover that up with another piece of cardstock if you want. But isn't that adorable? And then to add a little bit more decoration to it, I added the snowflake, which is from the Seasonal Tags framelits. Just going to put some snail. I'll put this right onto the closure. You can add a gift tag if you want. And then also, instead of the magnets, you can also use the Velcro if you want. So then here's the other one. Aren't they cute? So then here's this one. This is using the brand new Gingham Gala designer paper. And this is going to be in the Occasions catalog starting on January 3rd. Let me show you those. So you're going to get 5 colors. You're going to get Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lime Twist, Balmy Blue, and then this is the Grapefruit Grove, and then the Highland Heather, which is the one I used on my bag today. And like I said, this is going to be in the Occasions catalog starting on January 3rd, 2019. And then this was the black ribbon, the satin ribbon that I used on the Christmas version for the Festive Farmhouse. Then this is the ribbon that I used on the Highland Heather version. This is the Gorgeous Grape 1/4 inch mini striped ribbon. This is also available in the Bermuda Bay and the Poppy Parade. Okay, so that's how you make that really cute, adorable treat purse. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.